Welcome back. Now, as you saw, without building in additional information, the networks that you trained seem to have found a somewhat unbrain-like solution. Now, how can we actually help our networks be more brain-like, or how can we create the right kinds of inductive biases? We can think about adding soft constraints like the brain itself has to contend with. What are we thinking about? We're thinking about specifically different kinds of regularization. So here we're going to look at four different kinds of regularizations. One is weight regularization. Why? Well, in fact, the synapses between neurons are somewhat expensive themselves. Another regularization that we're going to implement is firing rate regularization. And why is that? Well, every time a neuron spikes, energy is expended, which is itself expensive. Next, we're going to add regularization to be able to have multiple values for delays. Why is that? Well, the brain has to generalize across a range of different kinds of inputs, including different delays between epochs. And finally, we're going to have a less chaotic regime in our recurrent neural network. And why is that? Well, the brain needs to be controllable, and it typically operates at the edge of chaos. So we want to maintain simple dynamics in the actual networks. And all of these techniques may actually help us generalize better. So that's what we have planned for section 3, and I'll see you on the other side.